Children, how are you? Hope fine, and so do I. Bhavna Desai, your science teacher, is with you with the lesson number 2, and that is uses of plants. Last session we saw or we learned cereals and pulses. Now we will move on to fruits and vegetables. Again I am repeating, now we will move on to fruits and vegetables. Plant give us fruits such as mango, apple and many more. Plant give us vegetable too, such as lady's finger, potato, etc. Fruits and vegetables contain or have vitamins and minerals which keep us healthy. Children, so in our diet we must use as much as we can use vegetables and fruits and have a practice of having a fruit in a day. Now we will move on to spices. Spices are that which your mama add while cooking to make your food delicious. Spices we use for flavoring cooked food that we get from the root, bark, seeds, fruits, buds of plants. And for that examples are cloves, cinnamon, pepper, chili. Again I'll repeat what is spices. Spices we use for flavoring cooked food that we get from the root, bark, seeds, fruits, buds of plants. Now we will move on to oil. We get oil from seeds of plants. Some have edible oil which we can use for cooking, and that is mustard seeds, sunflower seeds, groundnuts and coconut gives us edible oil. Again I'll repeat, we get oil from seeds of plants. Some are edible oil which we can use for cooking. Mustard seed means raika tel. Sunflower, as you know, sunflower carries small seed, and from that by process we are preparing oil. Groundnut means sing, mungfali, and coconut nariyal. That gives us edible oil. In some plants, seeds do not have edible oil. That kind of oil are used to make products such as shampoo, soap, perfume. Children, I'll repeat once again. Other plants also give us seeds. From that we can make out or we can have a process to remove oil, but that are not edible oils, and from that we are preparing products like soap, shampoo, perfume. And for that example is neem tree, neem and avocado seeds. Now we will move on to beverages. Tea is made from leaves of the tea plant. Coffee is made from the seeds of coffee plant. Again I'll repeat, tea is made from the leaves of tea plant. Coffee is made from the seeds of coffee plant. Here we will go further with the uses of plant. What are the other uses of plants? Plants do not only give us food but also different other things that we use in our daily life. Again I'll repeat, plants not only give us food but rather than that it is giving us many more things that we are using in our daily routine life. Fibers. Children, I'll clarify here, fiber means a very thin thread. बहुत पतला सा धागा होता है. It is coming, धागा होता है उसे रेशा बोलते हैं. That are called fibers. Generally cotton is the most common used fiber. We get cotton from the cotton plants. Linen is made from the fibers of the flax plant. Cotton and linen are used to make clothes. Again I'll repeat, cotton is the most common used fiber. We get cotton from the cotton plant. Linen is made from the fibers of the flax plant. Cotton and linen are used to make clothes. Generally, during the summer season, we people prefer to wear cotton clothes, and cotton clothes are very comfortable in every season. Fibers from jute are eco-friendly and used now and then. Jute means nowadays we are using polythene bags, but before the grains, rice and wheat, it was coming in jute bag. So jute is also a very comfortable fiber, or a comfortable fiber, and it is eco-friendly. Eco-friendly means it is not harming our nature. Coir is a natural fiber made from the husk of coconut. Again I'll repeat, coir is a natural fiber made from the husk of coconut. It is used to make ropes, doormats and mattresses. Husk of coconut is used to make ropes, doormats and mattresses. Banana fiber is used to prepare string. String means patli rassi. Flower into a garland. मतलब हम जो गार्लैंड मतलब हमारे घर पे बाहर जब कोई भी फेस्टिवल होता है या इन द टेम्पल्स वी आर ऑफरिंग गार्लैंड्स, फूलों की जो माला बनाते हैं या उसको यूज़ करते हैं हम पूजा में, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड अ गार्लैंड. माला को बोलते हैं गार्लैंड्स. वुड, द अदर नेम ऑफ वुड इज़ टिम्बर. इट इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट प्रोडक्ट that we get from the tree. The other name of wood is timber. It is very important product that we get from tree. Different kind of trees give us different kind of wood. Children, now you saw here how plants are useful in many directions, and we are utilizing each and every part of the plant. Here I am ending my lesson with this. Next session we will go with wood. Till then, bye bye. See you.